Test 1, 2, 3, I think I record. Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you are new subscriber, I build Blender tutorials, 100 subscribers, PewDiePie, I'm gonna catch you. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create fire rain. Very simple stuff. We're gonna use particle system and quick effect. I'm in Blender. I'm gonna select my cube by the left click, X and delete. Shift A, on the mesh, I'm gonna choose plane. And S and move the mouse to make it bigger, something like this. G, Z, and move the mouse up. Yes, right here. Something like this. I'm gonna zoom out. Now, I'm gonna go to this icon right here and click this plus. You can adjust the number of particles and play around on the lifetime or whatever. I'm gonna just set something like 20 particles because this is just tutorial. If I'm gonna just bring this up, this timeline, and move around, as you can see, I have this fucking 20 particles fall down from this plane. Now, I have selected my plane, yes, by the left click. Go to the object and choose quick effect, quick smoke. And this create this fucking domain, and I'm gonna scale this domain. So select this domain and SZ and move the mouse to make it bigger on the Z axis, and G, Z, and I'm gonna move right here, yes, something like this. Okay, and as you can see, this just fallen down. Now I'm gonna select my plane right here, and I'm gonna go to this icon right here, and I'm gonna change from smoke to the fire because I want this to be fire, those particles. So fire, you can play around on this stuff. I'm not gonna do this on the fuel. And right here I'm gonna just open right here this stuff, and I'm gonna change from the mesh to the particle system that we created 2 minutes ago. Yes, so I'm just changing to particle system, and right here I'm gonna choose this particle system. Boom. Okay, on this icon that we click in this plus, yes, 2 minutes ago. So I'm just going back right here, and I'm gonna select my domain. Of course, you can adjust the resolution, whatever. I'm gonna set something like 20 because this is just for tutorial. I'm not gonna bake this and render this because this is just to teach you something. And I'm gonna right here change this to the all, and I'm gonna just bake. You can, like I said, adjust the resolution. The better the resolution, the higher the number, the better the result is gonna be, basically. Yes. So it's finished, as you can see. And if I'm just moving around on the timeline, as you can see, my particles just turn to the fire, if that makes sense. Yes, oh no. So I want to show you the result. I'm gonna go to this icon and change the engine to the cycles, and right here 1, adjust the values 1 to the engine. I can add denoiser, whatever. I'm gonna go right here on this icon and choose shader editor to go to the shader editor. Yes, and select your domain, of course. Now I'm gonna just travel, and if I'm gonna just turn the render view right here on this icon, I'm gonna have some smokes, basically. Yes, and if I'm gonna just move around on the timeline, as you can see, this is fucking smoke. This is not fire because you must adjust basically on the shader editor. I have another tutorial how we can build more to this tree, but basically if I'm gonna just turn right here this value up a little bit, something like maybe 20 or whatever, I have some fucking fire. Oh no. And if I'm gonna just go to the timeline and move around on the stuff, we got some fire. Let's go. Very simple stuff, guys. I hope you get it how this works. So check it out, another tutorials on my channel. I have some cool tutorials how you can create some tree right here to have better view on this fucking fire, to have better basically results, because this looks like shit a little bit. So yeah, simple stuff, I know, but I want to show you I don't know, something different maybe. So I'm just gonna delete this file. I'm gonna import my 3D model maybe, because I have some animated model, and you can animate your model in Maximo 3D. Just tap Maximo 3D on the Google and you're gonna have some site and follow those instructions. It's very cool and it's free. So I'm gonna just adjust maybe something like choose Ronin. Yes, I have this fucking model and I have this, as you can see, stupid stuff. What I want to show you, this is very simple, guys, but the idea is like you can select on your animated model whatever material you want. I'm gonna just select water or maybe smoke, and you're gonna have some cool effect. So this is the tutorial basically. Yes, another tutorial. This is some side stuff like select your animated model and choose some water, maybe water right here on the Blender kit, and I can choose right here something like this, and I have this fucking stupid, like you see, water fucking guy just running around. Oh no! Yes, and you can choose smoke, of course, or maybe you can adjust the smoke. So we can create your own smoke by using, of course, just delete this stuff, X and delete, yes, on the shader editor. Shift A, you just principal volume, yes, volume, principal volume, and you just connecting this to this by right here to the volume. I'm gonna delete this connection. If you wanna this side window, just click the T and you have the option right here, and you can connect stuff by Shift F and maybe F Shift, okay, and you have those connections. You can connect nodes together, and as you can see, I have this stupid kind of smoky effect. Yes, if I'm just adding this principal volume to this stuff. I know it's lame, but this was basically the tutorial about fucking fire rain, if that makes sense. But play around on the stuff. You can create something cool, yes, on your 3D model too, if you're gonna add some cool effect. Thank you for watching. Cool textures, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching, guys. I know, strange tutorial, but I record this very fast. I don't write script for this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video, guys.